So we're going to do something fun here. We're going to see how my AI bot is at answering YouTube questions. We're going to go to Reddit. Somebody has a question about thumbnail design. I'm just going to copy this question. Let's copy this and let's come to our Ask AI bot and see what it'll answer here. Question about thumbnail design discussion. Hi, I want to make a thumbnail about the gas life cycle for Minecraft. That is what my video is about. What should I ideally add in the thumbnail and what elements? So this is going to tell us exactly what we should add here. Sounds like a fantastic video idea. Gas life cycle video for Minecraft with a ton of potential. Focus on the visual journey. The most straightforward and effective approach is to show the gas life at different stages of its life cycle. I'm not sure what this means, but this gives you a detailed concept for a thumbnail here. Okay, so let's try another one. So we're in Reddit, new YouTubers. Let's see here. Is 25% retention for 1 hour video bad? Let's see what our AI bot says about it. So you can come here to YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. If you have any question about YouTube, about, hey, how many watch hours do I need? What's my click-through rate? What are good videos that I should make? What are good topics I should make videos about? You can just come to our Ask AI expert. It's going to take a little bit of time, but once again, it's doing live research here. So the question was, is a 25% retention for a 1 hour video bad? That's an excellent question. Here's my insight. Is 25 to 35% retention for a 1 hour video bad? Not necessarily. For videos 45 to 60 minutes or longer. So this is a great answer for someone here. So if you have any questions about YouTube, if you need any help about your channel, just come to our Ask AI bot. It's a YouTube expert. It knows everything you need to know about YouTube. Let's see if there's another one. Where to promote my video and how to find an audience. Let's just copy these and we're going to answer it here. Right, so if you have any questions, you can ask me, of course, but you can come to our Ask YouTube AI bot. It's going to give you any answer you need to know about YouTube, any of your channel specifics. This is totally free. You don't have to log in. You don't have to connect your YouTube channel. You can just ask it any prompts, any questions you need to know about your specific channel. So again, this is going to take a little bit of time because it is thinking. It's using a live Google search. It's going to give us some real information that we can use. So let's dive in, understand your early stage. You're in a discovery stage. This is where you can practically go find people who might be interested, TikTok, Instagram. So it gives you a real plan of how you can promote and advertise your channel here, optimize your YouTube presence. So check it out. Ask our YouTube AI bot. Come to YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free. If you have any questions, hit me up, Mateo at youtubecreatorai.com. Thank you.